What makes a provisional patent disclosure ineffective for later claims? Imagine you have a great idea and want to protect it with a patent. You file a provisional patent application to secure an early filing date. But what if that application isn't strong enough to support your future claims? That can cause big problems down the line. A provisional patent disclosure becomes ineffective mainly when it doesn't give enough detail about the invention. If the description is vague or missing important parts, it won't support the claims you want to make later. For example, if you leave out key components or how they work together, the provisional won't be able to back up those claims. The law says you need to fully describe your invention so someone skilled in the field can understand it without guessing. Another issue is if the provisional doesn't teach how to make and use the invention. This is called enablement. If you don't include enough instructions, drawings, or examples to show how to build or operate your invention, the provisional can't support your later claims. It's like giving someone a recipe but leaving out the most important steps. You also need to meet the legal requirements of the law, specifically Section 112 of the United States Patent Law. This section says your application must include a written description and enablement. If your provisional doesn't meet these standards, courts and patent officials can say it's not valid for supporting later claims. Another problem happens if you leave out critical details or features that you later want to claim. Even though provisional applications don't need formal claims, they should describe the invention thoroughly enough to support the claims in your non-provisional application. Missing important parts can weaken your patent rights. Timing is also key. If you publicly disclose your invention before filing the provisional, or if you file the provisional but don't file a non-provisional application within 12 months, your rights can be lost. The provisional only lasts for 1 year, so missing that deadline means losing your priority date. In practical terms, it's essential to prepare a detailed, clear provisional application. Include drawings, descriptions, and examples that cover all aspects of your invention. This way, when you file the non-provisional application, your claims will be well supported. Remember, a weak provisional can make it harder to defend your patent later or to stop others from copying your idea. So, if your provisional doesn't give enough detail, fails to teach how to make or use the invention, or if you miss the filing deadlines, it won't support your later claims effectively. Making sure your provisional application is thorough and complete is the best way to keep your patent rights safe and strong.